Hi, and welcome to My Weirdest Orchid. So Nina from Ninja's Orchids posted a video a few days ago, maybe a week ago, about her weirdest orchid, and she tagged some people, and I have been tagged. So there I was last night, watering all my lovely ladies, just, looking at them, seeing. And when Nina posted the video, I was like, oh, I don't have any weird orchids. All mine grow pretty much the way they're supposed to. I mean, some are slower than others, but I don't have any weird orchids. Well, was I wrong? So I'm watching Fernanda Nascimento's video. As I'm watching it, I pick up an orchid and I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this? And then at the end of the video, she tags me. So the universe has made it so that I have a weird orchid. Now, which weird orchid do I have? Can you spot it? Do you see it? Well, let's just get a little bit closer. So this is my Brasidium Golden Gammon White Knight right here. I've had her since, I believe, 2019, maybe early 2020. She's never bloomed for me. She is a cross between the Oncidium sotoanum and Brasidium gilded urchin. Her blooms, if I can find one on the interwebs that is not copyrighted, I will post it. Otherwise, I'll just describe it. It is maroon. It has the star shape. It's big. It's supposed to be fragrance that it picked up from the sotoanum parent. Looks pretty normal, doesn't it? Let me get her out. Let me move this one out of the way. Okay. She grew this growth last year, and she started on a new growth for this year, and I was so excited. And as I'm watering it, I look, and look where the bulb is coming out. The bulb is very, very misshapen. That right there is the bract that it should be coming from, but it's growing out, and I have no idea why. I've been watering her and supplementing her like I always have. I don't know if maybe she got too much seaweed, but I haven't changed the amount. And I do want to take her out of the pot and just kind of really get a good look at her and repot her. However, I am waiting for some more small or medium orchid bark from my sponsor, the Orchid Supply Store, and I want to repot her into one of the clear plastic orchid pots so that the roots stay in the pot and not come out of the pot. Now, I did do a video when I potted her into this setup back in March of 2021, I believe it was. I will link that video down below so you can go watch it and see what she looked like prior to this crazy going on right here. And if anybody has an idea as to why she would have done that, because like I said, I haven't changed anything. She has pretty much sat underneath these Barina lights since I got them. Now, initially, she was sitting over there, and then she's been sitting here for about 2 months, maybe a month and a half. Again, she gets fertilized the same as she always has, anywhere from 150 to 300 parts per million, depending on what she's doing, or nothing if she's not doing anything. Supplementing, I only give her seaweed at the beginning of the growing season, and then I supplement with the cow mag every few months with her. She gets an Epsom salt once a month. So I'm not sure. Let me know. Here, let me get in really close so you can really see the wankiness of this, or the weirdness of this growth. So anybody who has an idea, let me know. And once my supplies come in from the Orchid Supply Store, I will definitely film the repot. And if you want to get 12% off of your order from the Orchid Supply Store, I'll link them down below, and use the coupon code TRISH at checkout for your 12% off. Now, my turn to tag 2 people. I'm going to tag Amy from Orchid Whisperer and Rhea, or Rhea, I may be saying it incorrectly, from Simply Orchids, etc. Be interested to see what you ladies have. Till the next time.